Hi, this is Dirk from B&B Auto Sales. Got a really cool Jeep J20 four-wheel drive here. Come off a ranch out in western South Dakota. Actually happened to be a distant relative of mine where I used to antelope hunt. So pretty cool. It's original. Got faded paint. There's a winch. The controllers are in the winch. They used it on the ranch. It was a Levi's edition. And at one time, I suppose the seat got shot, so they found some old, I think they look like Jeep Wagoneer seats they put in it. There's your controller for your winch there. Shows 30,162, would not, I would guess that's 130, is not actual, as far as I know. There's the dash, pretty tough shape from the sun. Got a CD player in it. Is an air truck, 401 V8 in it, so the Levi pattern door panels are actually in pretty good shape. Nice thing about where it come from isn't any rust issues. Even look at that seam, that's where a lot of them are really bad. You just got a little bit there, got your normal fading from being outside. Same deal, nice and clean there. If you just look at the picture underneath, it's really clean. See, they used it to tie downs. Bumper's still good and straight. Box, very nice shape. They had a hole there for some reason. But otherwise, very good shape. J20, so it's got the heavy duty rear end, 8-bolt wheels. There's a little crunch from doing something. They were cattle rancher and actually ranch buffalo now, and they're retiring. So that's what they used it for, is out on the ranch. So really cool, original type truck minus the seats. There's your Levi pattern on the door panel. So if you're looking for a pretty cool J20, drive as is or take it to the next level. Runs and drives good. See my other two videos. 605-695-7391.